Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI and I have an amazing supplement that I want to show you. So this is by Zenwise. It's the Vegan Omega-3. Why vegan? Well, no more fish breath after taking fish supplements. You also know that you're not getting exposed to mercury or some other dangerous toxins. This is made from algae and it is super healthy. I really love these. These have done wonders for my skin and my mental clarity. This gives you a high amount of omega-3s with just 2 soft gels that you can take with meals, and it's also non-GMO. So if you want to support your heart health, immune system, your mental clarity, joint health, or cognitive function, then try out these vegan omega-3s. They are so great, and you won't have any fish burps after taking them. I'm really happy with this brand, Zenwise, and I think that you will love these too. But that's just my point of view.